Hello guys. As I said in previous video, I am going to tell you how to get fake mails for temporary use. Open the given link in the description. Here you can find the temporary mail allocated for your use. You can copy the mail to your clipboard by clicking the copy button on the left side. Click the refresh button to receive mails. Click the delete button to change the mail ID. You can get infinite number of mail IDs without signing in and don't need to take premium service. You can see the received mail at below section. If you want to change mail, then click delete button. I will show you the example video for how to use it and how it works. I am going to use it to verify my Amazon account. I will copy this mail. Paste this mail in email section. After giving all details, I am going to click continue button. Now I have received a mail here. I am going to verify my mail with the received OTP. It's successfully verified. You can use it for fake verifications. If you want to get Amazon Prime Video for free, watch my previous video. I will give link in description. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hello guys. As I said in previous video, I am going to tell you how to get fake mails for temporary use.